United Kingdom Arts and Entertainment Websites by Country. Chapter 1. UK Arts and Entertainment Websites by Country at Curlie. England Arts and Entertainment Subcategories at curlie.org/n/regional/Europe/United_Kingdom/England/arts_and_entertainment. Subcategories. By county. By region. Antiques and collectibles. Architecture. Artists and galleries. Cinema. Clubs and venues. Dance. Events. Museums. Music. Photograph. Radio. Restaurants and bars. Television. Theatre. Northern Ireland Arts and Entertainment Subcategories at curlie.org/n/regional/Europe/United_Kingdom/Northern_Ireland/arts_and_entertainment. Subcategories. Antrim. Armagh. Belfast. Down. Fermanagh. Londonderry. Tyrone. Architecture. Artists and galleries. Dance. Events. Museums. Music. Photograph. Restaurants and bars. Theatre. Northern Ireland Arts and Entertainment Websites at curlie.org/n/regional/Europe/United_Kingdom/Northern_Ireland/arts_and_entertainment. artscouncil-ni.org, the Arts Council of Northern Ireland. Supporting and promoting the arts in Northern Ireland. Moviehouse.co.uk, Moviehouse Cinemas. Cinemas in Yorkgate, Glengormley, and Magara. Librariesni.org.uk, Northern Ireland Public Libraries. Portal providing information on the services and resources available. PrisonArtsFoundation.com, Prison Arts Foundation. Provides information about the registered charitable trust that promotes arts as a means of expression for prisoners, ex-prisoners, young offenders, and ex-young offenders. Scotland Arts and Entertainment Subcategories at curlie.org/n/regional/Europe/United_Kingdom/Scotland/arts_and_entertainment. Subcategories. Aberdeen, City of. Aberdeenshire. Angus. Argyll and Bude. Borders. Dumfries and Galloway. Dundee, City of. East Lothian. Edinburgh, City of. Fife. Glasgow, City of. Highland. Midlothian. Orkney. Perth and Kinross. Shetland. South Lanarkshire. Stirling District. West Lothian. Architecture. Artists and galleries. Dance. Events. Literature. Magicians. Museums. Music. Photography. Restaurants and bars. Theatre. Scotland Arts and Entertainment Websites at curlie.org/n/regional/Europe/United_Kingdom/Scotland/arts_and_entertainment. Scotland.britishcouncil.org, British Council Scotland. Chapman-pub.co.uk, Chapman. Craftscotland.org. National initiative to promote and develop Scottish contemporary crafts, includes listings of makers, retailers, galleries, events, news, features, opportunities, training, and business advice. CreativeCarbonScotland.com, Creative Carbon Scotland. CreativeScotland.com, Creative Scotland. Davida and D. June Gordon Memorial Trust.co.uk, David and June Gordon Memorial Trust. Charitable trust that supports art, community, and youth organizations in the northeast of Scotland. ImpactArts.co.uk, Impact Arts. Literature Alliance Scotland.co.uk, Literature Alliance Scotland. NLS.uk, the National Library of Scotland. NationalTheatreScotland.com, National Theatre of Scotland. PeterNardini.com, Peter Nardini Art and Music. rssa.org.uk, Royal Scottish Society of Arts. scotlandthemovie.com/movies, Scotland the Movie Location Guide. A guide to the locations appearing in movies and television filmed in Scotland. ScottishBasketMakersCircle.org, Scottish Basket Makers Circle. Promotes basket making, chair seating, environmental sculptures, and other crafts using willow. ScottishBookTrust.com, Scottish Book Trust. ScottishPen.org, Scottish Centre of International Pen. Writers Association. ScotlandsGlass.co.uk, Scottish Glass. ScreenMachine.co.uk, Screen Machine Mobile Cinema. Britain's only mobile cinema serving the Highlands and Islands. s-s-a.org, the Society of Scottish Artists. westcoastcinemas.co.uk, West Coast Cinemas. Cinemas in Dunoon and Greenock. Wales Arts and Entertainment subcategories at curlie.org/n/regional/Europe/United_Kingdom/Wales/arts_and_entertainment. Subcategories. Blaenau Gwent. Bridgend County Borough. Caerphilly County Borough. Cardiff. Carmarthenshire. Ceredigion. Conway County Borough. Denbighshire. Flintshire. Gwynedd. Isle of Anglesey. Monmouthshire. Neathport Talbot County Borough. Newport, City of. Pembrokeshire. Powys. Rhondda Cynon Taf. Swansea County. Torfaen. Vale of Glamorgan. Wrexham County Borough. Galleries. Magazines and e-zines. Television. Wales Arts and Entertainment websites at curlie.org/n/regional/Europe/United_Kingdom/Wales/arts_and_entertainment. artswales.org, Arts Council of Wales. bbc.co.uk/wales/audio video/sites/galleries/pages/capturewales.html, BBC, Capture Wales. bbc.co.uk/program/p01s4d2y, BBC Wales, Dylan Thomas. dramawales.org.uk, the Drama Association of Wales. entertainmentinwales.com, Entertainment in Wales. fountainfineart.com, Fountain Fine Art. georipter.net, Gripter. Levergel.cymru, Levergel Gendlaethol Cymru, National Library of Wales. Eisteddfod.cymru, National Eisteddfod of Wales. niaw.org.uk, National Youth Arts Wales. planetmagazine.org.uk, Planet Magazine. ruas.wales/Royal Welsh, RWAS, Royal Welsh Show. snogonline.co.uk, Snowdonianites Out Gazette, Snog. tycoals.com, Tyco Wales. valleystream.co.uk, Valley Stream Media Developments. wai.org.uk, Wales Arts International. welshpaintings.co.uk, Welsh Paintings.